good, YouTube? It's the boy Damon back with another video, and as y'all can see by the thumbnail and the title, today I'm gonna be getting some tints on my G80 M3. You feel me? I've been driving around in this car like a fishbowl for the longest, bro. But today that shit ends. You feel me? Finna get some tints, and I'm also gonna put y'all boys on to what else I'm gonna get done to the car. You feel me? So with that being said, I'm just gonna be vlogging, show y'all boys what's going on with the car and shit. So yeah, I'm gonna head downstairs in the car and catch y'all boys when I'm downstairs. So let's get it. All right, boys. So I'm finna give y'all boys a cold start real quick. It's stopped, by the way, so it's not gonna be too loud or anything, but yeah, that's the cold start for this beast right here. Alright, boys, so while I'm going over to the tint shop, I'm finna put the camera up on my sunroof and fucking give y'all boys a POV going over there, you feel me? So that shit gonna be lit. So yeah, let me set this camera up and I got y'all boys real quick. Yo, chat, it's crazy because this guy in front of me in this 330 right here is recording my shit just now. I just peeped. He's recording my car, bro. We're starting off with a lot of traffic, boys. Alright, boys, so I hope y'all could see everything properly, bro. You know what I'm saying? This is a shop that I'm going to get my tints and shit. Starting off with a lot of traffic and shit, my nigga. But it be like that, bro. It be like that in Miami, bro. Y'all boys see? Yeah, y'all niggas can see everything, bro. Yeah, y'all niggas can see everything. Lit. Yeah, but I just peeped that car. The guy in the 330 just now was recording my shit just now. I'm not gonna cap, bro. This is a lot of people's dream car, bro. I'm gonna keep it a buckle shop. This is mine too, but just grateful that I was able to work hard as fuck to get this shit. And I'm glad, and I'm so fucking thankful that I got it. I'm enjoying this car so much, bro. Like, I don't think y'all understand, bro. This shit is so fun, bro. Shit is so fun. Ever since I got this car, bro, I barely drive the M4. I barely drive the L-Cat. I think I probably drove the L-Cat like twice since I got it. And I drove the fucking M4 to go pick shit up and shit. That's my daily for the most part. But this shit, bro, oh my god, this shit is so fun, bro. And I want to have so much fun with this shit, bro, but at the same time, I don't want to fuck it up. Cause y'all know BMWs always fuck up, bro. You know what I'm saying? Them shit always fuck up for some reason. But that's when you do too much with it, though. Like, you know, you're going crazy, big turbo and all that shit, and don't do the right mods the right way. But I heard that these engine are like fucking tough, bro. Like, it's hard to break, but you know, everything got a breaking point, my nigga. Every fucking thing got a breaking point. Damn, look at Unk in this whip, looking over there. Traffic, bro. It's Saturday fucking at 11 and there's mad fucking traffic, bro. Almost 12 actually, but it is always so much fucking traffic, bro. Crazy to say I know where I'm going, but I'm just looking to see if there's mad cops on the road. Niggas going doing some crazy construction over there. Kaka, listen, may I call you back here? Alright, later. BMW down, my boy got a flat, damn. Alright boys, we got some cops down there, so I'm gonna drive a little bit slow right now. Not like I was speeding in the beginning, but alright boys, so we're literally so close to the tint shop right now. I'm gonna put I think I'm gonna put 5% all around, bro. I will be putting 5% tint all around the entire car, my nigga. That ass. No, I'm not even gonna be able to see. That's crazy.
Hey girl, why is someone on my way to class? I'm putting in my first Target Circle 360 order from college. I was wondering, what's the next bar scent we love? Is it Pear Blossom? I'm also getting a shower curtain, laundry basket, you know, dorm stuff. Dad didn't let me bring the car to school, so Target delivery is till 5. Highly recommend. 50% off for students. Okay, miss you. Bye.
Homes for Target's gifts. College students get 50% off Target Circle 360 membership, subject to terms. Visit target.com/circle for more details.
This goes out to all the dippers in the world.
Yo, I can't wait to put a mid pipe on this shit, bro, because I know this shit is stock and everything, bro. This shit sounds so low, bro, but when I put a single mid pipe on this shit, bro, that shit is gonna sound a little bit louder, more aggressive. That shit gonna be fucking sick, bro. You know what I'm saying? But I can't wait. I'm waiting on the part, but when that shit comes, then that's when I'm gonna fucking put that shit on, and that shit, I'm gonna fucking have more fun with that shit, bro. So yeah, shit, I gotta go all the way over there, bro. I don't got time for that shit. I don't got time for that fucking shit. Hell no. It's right ahead. Boy, so we at the tint shop right now. Let me hit this guy up and see what the fuck is going on, bro. You know what? I'm just gonna fucking park. Alright, so yeah, at the tint shop right now. I'm gonna go inside and get this shit started, so let's go. Alright boys, so yeah, finna get inside the tint shop, see what's going on, see how long this shit is gonna take. Hopefully not too long, but as y'all boys can see, bro, this shit is looking tough as fuck, and this shit does not have no fucking tints, bro. So as y'all can see, bro, no tints. I'm finna fucking put 5% all around on this shit, bro. Make this shit look sick as fuck, so yeah, let's get it. This shit is gonna be lit, bro. We're not gonna cap. Alright, boy, so we're trying to see how this is gonna, how PPF is gonna look on the car if we put PPF on the car, you feel me? Because as I can see, I did get some fucking paint chip already since I got the car, so this is what it's gonna look like. Honestly, it's not a big difference.
And you get a protection for 5-10 years.
Like warranty?
Yeah, 5 years.
How much
10
warranty?
years. It has 5 years or 10 years, depending
10 years?
on which one do you choose.
Nah, but this shit actually looks good. It doesn't even look like
Yeah,
it's a
it
big
looks
difference.
good. Now let me show you. Let's go to the computer because
Uh-huh.
I'll show you the quick car.
Alright, because since I got a car, there's a lot of rock chip on the shit, bro. So I'm trying to protect that shit because I'm planning on having this car for a long time, bro.
The details, you know, and
Mhm.
that stuff, so we have to let it drive for a day.
So yeah, that shit
But
looks good.
You have to do it at ASAP, you know, because I mean, the car is low, so it's gonna get.
A lot of rock chip, yeah, I know. Yeah, that shit doesn't even look like it's on the car, bro. The only part you can really see is right here, the ends. But these ends are gonna be inside under there, you feel me? So this shit does look good. It's just like a fucking wrap. But they just clean and put PPF on it so I don't get no rock chip, bro, because as y'all can see, bro, rock chip, rock chip, rock chip, rock chip. Got mad fucking rock chip already, bro. It's crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna catch y'all boys when I'm done getting the car tinted out, so stay tuned for that. Alright boys, so they just finished doing the tints on the car right now. I'm gonna show y'all boys what it's looking like. Alright boys, so as y'all can see, the tints is done. This shit, bro, makes the car look so much tougher, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, this shit looks more aggressive. Only thing I gotta get done now is the carbon fiber mirror caps, carbon fiber side skirt, carbon fiber diffuser, and wing, you feel me? And I'm also either gonna wrap the top in carbon fiber to match all the carbon fiber trims that I got on the car, feel me? But it's either I'm gonna wrap it or, yeah, I'm probably gonna wrap it. That's the only thing I could possibly do to the top because I got a sunroof, feel me? So, yeah, bro, that shit is looking tough as hell, bro. know what I'm saying? Looking tough as hell. And as I can see on the inside, fully carbon fiber everywhere. I'm seeing bucket seats, everything, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm absolutely loving this car, bro. Feel me? So, what I'm gonna do right now, I will be giving y'all boys a lot of POVs and shit. Make sure y'all boys stay tuned for that. So, yeah, this is what the car is looking like. Yeah, pretty much done. Feel me? So, make sure y'all boys stay tuned for that. Appreciate you. Alright boys, so if you're in Miami, this is the shop that I came to get my tints. Best window tinting in Miami, feel me? So bro, this shit is so lit, bro. This shit is looking way better, more aggressive, you know what I'm saying? Damn, the red DRLs is tough. That's gonna be it for this video, bro. Make sure y'all boys do subscribe and like the video and stay tuned for more videos, you feel me? So that's it for this video of me getting tints done to my car. I'm gonna see y'all boys in the next one. Peace.